Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Disney Plus app on your TCL Smart TV. If it's not loading, crashing, or just not working, don't worry. Let's go through the quick fixes. Step 1. Check your internet. Show Wi-Fi settings. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Disney Plus needs a strong and stable connection, otherwise the app won't load correctly. Step 2. Update the app. App Store, Disney Plus. Next, open the TCL App Store, search for Disney Plus, and update the app if a new version is available. Outdated apps often cause errors. Step 3. Clear cache and restart. Settings, Apps, Disney Plus, Clear cache. Go to your TV settings, select Apps, choose Disney Plus, and clear the cache. Then restart your TV to refresh everything. Step 4. Update your TV software. Settings, About, System Update. If the app is still not working, check for a system update. Keeping your TCL TV software up to date can fix most compatibility issues. Step 5. Reinstall Disney. Reinstall. And finally, uninstall the Disney Plus app and reinstall it. A fresh install usually clears out hidden bugs. And that's it. These simple steps should fix Disney Plus on your TCL Smart TV. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech fixes. See you next time.